So this is really not how I want to start a video, but I'm in Las Vegas trying to find my DJI Avata. We're kind of doing some rock surfing here with the drones in the Red Rocks in Vegas, and I lost signal going behind a rock. I almost pulled up from it, but I skirted along the ground, and it's somewhere. We'll find it eventually. So here's the thing, I think it's up here. I just don't necessarily know how to get there. Definitely can't jump that. So I think it was right along here. I cut through this little ravine, I guess you want to call it, this little gap, and I lost signal just at the top, so I think we're close. All right, I think I'm on the home stretch. I climbed all the way around these rocks, and I think that it is right here. It's only like 100 yards away. So now we gotta make it past all this. All right, final spot. I think that it is somewhere in this area. Finally made it, but the drone is disconnected. The battery must have come dislodged in the impact, so therefore I need to manually search for it. I found it. Whole Gatorade bottle left and probably 30 minutes of hiking. I found it sitting right here. I'm gonna put everything down. This is crazy. Right here. Right here. There's no damage done to it, but the battery did come dislodged. I got it. All right, so end result, Avata is totally fine. I mean, look at all of the rocks I could have potentially lost this drone in, and I found it using the DVR footage. It's funny, I was speaking with Lon as soon as we pulled in the parking lot. I said, that is a lot of rocks. If I lose my drone, I don't think I'd go and get it, but I had such great footage on there, I wanted to go and find it, and I did. So now we get a chance to check out that video. All right, so just kind of reflecting, that was a hike in 116-degree weather. Probably, if I had to guess, it was like a mile or two in and then a mile or two out. I did chug the entire Gatorade throughout my entire hike, so I was hydrated. I'm feeling a little bit dizzy right now, so I'm probably gonna sit in the car for a little bit, but after going through all of that, I will be damned if that is the only spot that I include here in this video. So we're at our second spot, and unfortunately probably our last spot, because we're going to lose some light here. It's just about to go down behind the mountain, but let's get one more flight.